All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to try to give you a few tips on how to put some outdoor string lights up. All right, first, the couple tools I'm probably going to end up using. I'm going to end up using a drill, and you're definitely going to need a tape measure. And then you're going to need your outdoor string lights. But I'm going to show you what I did before I ordered these. I measured my deck, so you're going to want to definitely measure your deck so you know what size you're going to order. Like these say these are 49 feet. When there's, I guess, 2 in here, but I'm going to show you a couple things that I'm going to do just to see where these are going to land on my deck. In this plug, there's an 8 amp fuse in here for protection. So if you would end up blowing that fuse, you're just going to need one little 8 amp fuse. And I plugged my kilowatt meter in here because I know some are going to just want to go get the LED ones maybe to save money. And I'm going to show you how much this is going to run you if you run it, say, an hour a day or 2 hours a day or 3 hours a day. So this is what it cost me to run 1 hour. 1 cent. So you leave these on for 3 hours, it's going to cost you 3 cents. At least that's what it's going to cost me. It depends on what you pay per kilowatt hour where you live. So I don't know how much your LED ones are going to save you. And I just wanted to show you. It definitely seems like these are built really well, so I think they'll last a long time. And these bulbs, this piece here is like rubber, so it seems like it fits in there real tight. It'll stay real good and waterproof. It hangs down from here to the tip of that bulb 7 5/8. And then if you go down from here to here, if that means anything to you, it's about 5 3/4. Distance in between these is 37.5 inches, so 3 foot 1.5 inches. This is what I mean by daisy chaining them together. You got this one end that you can plug in, and you got this end. This is the other end where you can take, like I said, you can buy 6 strands of lights and you can plug 6 together. So you'll take the one end and plug it in the wall, and then you'll take the other one and plug it into like that, just into the end. So you can put 6 of them like that. Or you can plug 2 together if you want, or 3 together. It doesn't have to be 6. All right, hold this tape measure, Spence, right against the house here. Okay, I want to see exactly how long this is. You got it? Let it go straight. Okay, there. Here, hold it. You can hold it kind of there. Just keep it straight. Say 190. I'm just gonna call. All right, my first measurement was about 15 foot 10 inches, which you could just probably write down 16 foot. Give you a little room to play with. All right, let's measure this one. I want you to hold it on this. Oh, just try to make sure it doesn't come off of that, okay? Because I'm going to be on the outside. Now I'm going to end up measuring from the outside, not from the inside, but all the way to the outside, just to get me a little more close. This side should be the exact same as that side. I'll put a link to these down in the description if you want to check these out. So far they seem like really nice lights, so hopefully they last. All right, I measured these lights. If you end up looking at these lights, from the light socket to the last light socket, it's just about 44 feet. All right, this didn't work out exactly as planned. I wanted to start these right here on the outside, but it didn't reach. So just to give you a measurement from this one to the switch, or from this one to the plug, is like 19 inches. All right, go over and get some bulbs out of there. They're probably in the other box. There's a little box in there. If you're getting up on a ladder like I am, just be real careful. It sucks to fall.
If we're out here at night.
Now, what if I got these lights for the daytime? These are daytime running lights. I'm stuck. I can't keep any of my helpers out here. I think it's gonna work better if I go up over this here. And we'll have to go on the inside and on that one. I had to go get a little washer to try to hold this wire back in there. Doesn't look like crap. Give me a bulb. Her mom's gonna get her way. She's gonna have some on the inside, some on the outside. It didn't work out going on the outside over there. Huh? You like it on the inside? Outside? Me too, kinda, because then you don't see the wire, but it didn't work out that way when I got to here. I couldn't wrap it around there. The bulb would have been like sitting right against the dang deck. Okay, give me a bulb. They're gonna look nice. Hope they come out okay. I tried to measure. Now it looked like we had one extra.
Really?
That, and I have a whole extra thing of lights. It's gonna look cool at night. Hope they hang straighter as they hang there. As we thought that was 49 feet altogether, and it's not. Yeah, 49 feet each.
Big difference.
So this video might help somebody out. All right, give me 2 bulbs. I'm glad it didn't land on one of these metal plates. That one was right before it.
That's lucky.
It's really hard to figure this stuff. It's gonna be all right. Still too high. There we go. That'll work. All right, get me 2 bulbs. Looks pretty good. Oh crap. Should have put that in before I moved. There, that looks good. Tie my shoe so I don't fall. Bless my butt. I think I can reach. Did that scare you? I scared myself. I've got to do a split. That's the bulb. Well, that's about it. It's pretty easy putting them lights up. Just got to make sure you measure your deck out correctly so you get the right size lights. And well, if we buy these lights, I told you what it was from the first light to the plug, if you want to know what that is. And like I said, from the first light to the last light on these, it's just right around 44 feet. Isn't that what I said, Spence? 44 feet, right? It's in the video there somewhere.
49.
No, from the light to the light was, was 44 feet. I think it was a little bit, like maybe a little bit under a 44 feet, but it was just about 44 feet. So if that helps you out. So I don't know. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and leave me a comment down below. God bless, and have a great summer.